Welcome to Godrej Park World, a self-sustained integrated township of 100 acres in Hinjewadi Phase 1. This is the model of the entire 100 acres of township. Here you will be getting 75% of open space, a 12 plus acres of lush greenery, central garden, boulyard, 1 kilometer of river promenade for that matter, just beside the Mulla Mutha river. All the amenities which you can possibly think of will be provided here, whether it is an infinity swimming pool, you have got sports complexes here, you will be getting all the central gardens, kids play area, senior citizen area, you will also be getting amphitheatre. Everything will be provided inside your own township. For anything you do not need to go outside. Now finally, I would be talking about the configurations, the sizes available here and the prices, and the part which you always wait for, the sample apartment. So without further ado, let's get to that part. Before the sample apartment, I would like to talk about the location and the connectivity factors here. First of all, let me tell you that Pune-Bangalore highway, your Balewadi High Street and your Hinjewadi metro station, all of that you can access within 5 minutes from here. Talking about the schools which are here, you already have Global International School within the premises, but other than that, you have Delhi Public School. Symbiosis Hinjewadi is close by and you can access in just 10 minutes. The entire IT hub you can access within 10 minutes, whether it is Infosys, Cisco, Wipro, you can access all of that in just 10 minutes. In hospitals, you have Sanjeevani Hospital and Life Point Hospital, which are very quickly accessible within 10 to 15 minutes. So finally, I would like to say that whatever you want to access from here in connectivity factors, whether school, college, hospital or shopping street, high street plaza, everything you can cover in just 15 minutes. That's the location of this project. I'm standing in front of the model of the cluster Gale. Here you'll be getting 5 high-rise towers and all the amenities which you can possibly think of. I'll just name out a few of them. You'll be getting a swimming pool, a kids play area, volleyball court, a box cricket, you'll be getting a yoga, Zumba room, mini theatre and a lot of other things. Gale offers you 1, 2 and 3 BHK configurations, and I will be showing you the sample apartment of 2 BHK. This is the 2 BHK apartment of 842 square feet. So welcome inside. First of all, at the very entrance you get this foyer area, and now this is your spacious living room. The best part about the layout is that there is zero wastage. Every nook and corner of the house is utilized perfectly. In the living room, you will be getting a deck to enjoy the view, and you also have a deck in the master bedroom also. Now have a look at the dining space. Here you can fit a 6-seater dining table very comfortably and gives you access to the living room and the kitchen very nicely. This is the kitchen. You get L-shaped countertop, hob, chimney, and also the utility area is big enough to keep a big sized washing machine. In this apartment, you'll be getting a video door phone, digital lock. You'll also be getting vitrified flooring all over the house. Come, let me show you the common washroom. Very big sized. According to a common washroom, you'll be getting fittings of Kohler or equivalent, and just beside this is the first bedroom. The space is good enough to make it a guest bedroom or children bedroom also. You've got windows for ventilation and sunlight. In all the bedrooms, whether it is a 1 BHK apartment or 2 BHK, you'll be getting air conditions throughout the house. This is the master bedroom. Very spacious. You can keep a king size bed. This is where you can plan your television unit, and this is once again the deck. You have got large decks in the house to enjoy the view. You can keep a table and 2 chairs very nicely and enjoy the sunset views. You have also got an attached washroom in the master bedroom. The construction quality is top-notch. Amenities and everything I've already told you. Finally, coming to the price. This apartment is priced at 1.14 CR and 1 BHK here is starting from 82 lakhs. So for booking purposes, contact us on the details given below.